All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group, 8:15 Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday night. Wanted to pop out a quick video here on the 5, 10, 240. Lots of questions now with the 30% correction in Bitcoin on how to implement the 5, 10, 240, okay? 5 and 10 is your leverage amount, 5x or 10x. You certainly can use 1x or 3x in this methodology if you want to use low leverage, okay? But what the 5, 10, 240 ultimately is you are making a bet, okay? Think of it in terms of using the BitSeven trading platform in terms of a futures contract, okay? You are making a bet that within 10 days, Bitcoin is going to recover, okay? Or you are making a bet that within 10 days, Bitcoin is going to collapse if you are going to use the down or the short. I, however, tonight, this evening, am going long. Going long means we are going up, okay? We were going to determine our leverage. You always want to look at your cut losses. Why do you use low leverage on a 10-day play? Because the lower the leverage, the wider your cut loss. Your cut loss is the value in which, or the level of which in the market, that the BitSeven or any trading platform that you are trading leverage on will liquidate your position, okay? BitSeven gives you 10 days to keep that trade open. So what we're looking at tonight is we're saying, okay, we've fallen to 30,000, 32,000. We've risen to 35, 36,000. We've fallen to 32,000 again, okay? And we've consolidated for much of today in that 34, 35,000 level until selling came in at about 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Okay, so the way I'm approaching this, and you would approach this if you believe in the underlying asset, okay, and the future of Bitcoin. And over the next 10 days, obviously, this trade is a 10-day trade. But if you believe that we're oversold now, okay, this is where you want to come in and you want to determine what you're willing to accept for your cut loss in terms of if you make the wrong bet, right? Okay, you can always correct it. If you join our group, hit into the free trading community Discord, we can show you how you can correct entries, okay, and adjust entries to where you are actually turn your trade into a winning trade. We do not mentor or teach in our group saving trades. We are not in the habit of saving bad trades, bad entries, okay? We are in the habit of winning trades, okay? Keeping leverage. But the whole point of entering in this at leverage is to take advantage of leverage, okay? 1x is certainly leverage, and it certainly provides profit. But when you use 1x as a second entry into any first entry, all you're really doing is extending a cut loss. You're not moving the needle in terms of cutting the distance to your strike price, okay? And you'll learn that in our group, okay? And it dismisses a lot of gimmicks that are out there that other people are pushing, okay, which cause you to put more entries in, which causes their commissions to go up because they're benefiting on all of your trade entries, okay? And we can get into that later on another video. But we entered at 32,428, okay? Right in this level on an RSI down here on this candle. So we went 32,428.67 is our entry, okay, using the 5, 10x 240. We have 240 hours to stay in this up trade, okay? The market currently is valued at 32,941, so we're up already 500 points here in the last, 20 minutes or so, or less, okay? The 240 means you have 240 hours. 240 hours is 10 days. There's some confusion with some people with that, but that's where you get it, okay? So you can enter this trade at 5x or 10x, whatever your comfort is. You certainly could have entered this trade right here at 30x or 50x if you're a baller, okay? There are plenty of people in the trading group right now trading this out right now, okay? But this method is for a longer-term 10-day view. You can execute your trade anytime within that 10 days, okay, mates? That's how this method works, and it provides you a good comfort zone with a cut loss. All right, have a great evening.